kind of accountant does your business deserve? Hi, my name is Gordon Suther. I'm a multi-award winning chartered accountant. I'm the author of a best-selling book, Profit Propeller, and I'm the inventor of the Profit Multiplier program. I asked the question of what type of accountant does your business deserve quite seriously, because there are a range of accountants, and if you're the type of business owner that feels their business deserves an accountant to just get the accounts out, get the numbers on a piece of paper, get your tax returns completed and submitted while you carry on doing what you do with your business, then you're probably going to need Gordon's Knight Lite. If you're the type of business owner who is too busy and agrees that time is too valuable to spend bookkeeping, but at the same time you just want that handled, you want the accounts done, you want your tax returns done, then again you want to look at the hands-free, hassle-free bookkeeping service from Gordon's Knight Lite. So head over to the link on the page on the right. You don't need to watch the rest of this video, it's irrelevant to you. Just click on the link and it'll take you to the Gordon's Knight Lite site, where you'll be given some options for a great value for money, a low impact accountancy service that gets the job done very efficiently, really effectively, and you'll be sorted for your accountancy needs. However, if you're the type of business that demands far more for your business than the cheapest accountant, just producing numbers, you're going to be wanting an accountant who looks at giving you advice based on the numbers in your business, telling you the numbers story. The language of business is numbers. Warren Buffett said that. And you're going to want an accountant who can help you work with you on the numbers of your business to make the right decisions quickly and accurately, to be able to predict the effective decisions you're about to make using your numbers and your business model. You're going to want an accountant who's really going to understand your business and work with you to improve your sales, your margins, your net profits, and your personal wealth. And of course, there's a whole range of business value and all the other bits in it, how to exit the business, how to get more time out of your business. If that's the type of accountant your business deserves, then just stay on this site, stay with this video for a couple of more seconds, and we'll just describe the profit multiplier principle to you, and the principle that Gordon's Knight Premium works on. Gordon's Knight Premium works on the principle that business owners are really good at running their business, at doing what their business does. That's how they've got to a turnover of $250,000 upwards. So clearly they can sell. It's not a lifestyle business. They've got some employees, maybe 2, 3, 4 employees. So they understand the value of employing someone, and they're significant enough and experienced enough. Maybe they've been trading for 2, 3, 4 years, and now they want more. They want to ramp up. They want to leverage their business. They want to achieve more for themselves and for their business. That is really where Gordon's Knight Premium comes in, because what we do is, as a minimum, we have a service where we really get to know your business. We get to know you. We get to know what's driving you, where you want to take your business, how much income you want out of your business, why you started the business, why you're still in business, what you desire in the next 5 to 10 years from your business. Because when we really begin to understand your business, understand its goals and the aspirations you have, we can then help interpret the numbers in your business alongside those aspirations and goals, and help you steer a path, create a roadmap, if you like, through the decision making that is necessary in business, using some of the numbers in your business. And that will help accelerate your path towards your goals, towards the aspirations you seek. Now, there are 1 or 2 pieces in the range on how much input you want from us. We have the basic, which starts off with monthly management information, with or without a bookkeeping add-on. That's the minimum, where we have a 15-minute board meeting on critical aspects of your numbers to make sure you get it, show you how they meet with targets. We'll compare them to your targets. We'll explain what's going well, what's not going well. We'll focus on areas that need urgent attention and things that you need to do much more of because they're working really well. So those are the sort of reports we would do as a minimum for our base level clients premium service. At the other end, we're going to be spending a bit more time with you. We're going to be working with you on a regular basis, creating our 3x3x3 framework on a profit multiplier program. We're going to make sure that we are both clear on what needs to be done to improve the margins, sales, profits, net worth, wealth, cash flow in your business. And we're going to set 3 projects together. You're going to basically set the 3 projects. We'll just help steer that direction, help support you, help you make those decisions, help you understand the consequences of those decisions based on your business model and your aspirations. This is why we really need to understand what you're about and what you want to achieve in your business, because the level of input we need to have with you is considerable. So that service really is even further ahead of our basic premium service, because we're really going to be working with you on a weekly basis, identifying the areas that you've agreed to focus on, agreeing the projects you've decided to work on, agreeing the actions you want to do each week, and then making sure we support you through any actions that you need to do to make sure that we help get them done. Because by getting them done, you're going to get the results from it. It's based on first awareness, then making the decision to make it happen, then creating the project, then creating the action list to make it happen, and then executing the action list, reviewing the results, tweaking the results, and continuing to roll out. If it doesn't work, we need to cut quickly or adjust quickly. We can't let these things just drift. We can't run the business by the seat of your pants. That's for Gordon's Knight Light clients. You've chosen a different path if you're still with me. And that is, in essence, exactly what we are excellent at. That is the input I will have with you. On Gordon's Knight Light, I have very little input other than reviewing the tax and the accounts very briefly. With Gordon's Knight Premium, I'm going to be involved with every client to make sure we understand the model and help deliver the aspirations in a quicker, more efficient way for our business clients and our business, if you like, partners. Now, you have to decide which level you want to join us. The first thing you have to do, though, is absorb some of the blogs on the site to make sure that my communication style, my driven style, my action-orientated style, my challenging style to you as a business owner is one that you could live with, is one that's going to move you forward. Because if you don't want to be pushed and challenged and held accountable and encouraged and supported to achieve these things quicker in a very targeted, principled way, then we're probably not right for you. But if you watch a few of the blogs, you'll get some value from them for sure, but also you get a sense of my communication style and my ability to make things happen. And if that all looks good, then we'll take it further to a 10-minute quick chat, just to make sure you can ask some questions of me directly, I can ask some questions of you directly, and we can then move on to a slightly longer profit multiplier strategy session where we really explore what's possible in your business, the path we may take towards your goals, and how we may support you in that endeavor. So please explore the site, hear some of the client testimonials. We are good and committed to what we do. We don't take on everyone. There will be an application process, and the application process is to protect you and us, because our reputation is on the line. And of course, it's to protect you, to make sure you don't make any mistakes by picking someone who's not up to the job to make it happen. To give you a little bit of a background of who I am, as I said, I'm a chartered accountant. I'm a multi-award winning chartered accountant. We've been in the top 3 and winners in the last 5-6 years now. And we do that because we think differently. We work differently. We apply ourselves differently. We are highly leveraged. So if you're working with me, you need to be clear that we're going to be looking for you to do things differently. We're going to ask for you to be leveraged, because you can't do everything on your own. And by being here on this video for this long, you've identified clearly that you understand that, and you've already got a team, or part of a team of virtual assistants or whatever that's working with you, so you understand that you need help. The other side of it, of course, is that we work quickly, we are action orientated, and I work fast, so our calls will be rapid, fast-paced, action-based. we're going to be looking for you to do the actions that we talk about during our conversations. So the conversations may only last 10 or 15 minutes, but there'll be an action on the back of that that may take you a further 45 minutes or 2 hours, which we would ask you to undertake, and you'd tell us when you'd be able to do that, and we would then support you in that, help you with any challenges that were coming in your way, or helping you act as a sounding board to some of the thinking that goes into that process. So that, in essence, you've been on here for a while, you've listened to me for a while. Hopefully that's given you a sense of what the potential is of us working together. Now it's time to explore some of our blogs, download some of our free tools, and get a sense of who we are. And then once your skepticism has been satisfied, once your understanding of what we do and how the program might work for you has been established, we can then have a conversation. At that point, we'll have an application form, complete that, and review each other's ability to help each other. I'm really looking forward to your journey, either with Gordon's Night Light, in which case you're probably on the wrong site right now. Just click on the button and you'll go there, and we'll give you great services. The team will look after you really well. And of course on Gordon's Night Premium, where we're going to be working together much more closely, understanding what you want out of business and helping you get there. So I look forward to speaking to you soon, and in whichever way that happens, whether it's at a distance through the blogs or on a much closer basis through the Profit Multiplier program. I look forward to speaking to you then. Goodbye.